Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Plan With Me video, this time in my Hobonichi weekly pages, and this is for the week of the 17th through the 23rd, and the kit that I'm using is called Aqua Florals. You should have seen this in my new releases video that I should have uploaded Saturday or Sunday. So these are the two bottom boxes, as well as your teardrop stickers and your script stickers. And then the first page, which is the bigger page, you've got your date covers, your strip stickers, your checklist, 3 label stickers, a bunch of dots, and some circle deco circle stickers. Okay, and then let's go ahead and get started with this Plan With Me. This is the 3rd video that I am filming today, so if I sound not as organized as I should be, then I am sorry for that. I am leaving on the 21st for a conference abroad. It will be in Vietnam. Funny that I don't have any travel stickers. I just realized that. So I'm sorry for that. It is a little cloudy today because we are expecting a storm. It's not here yet. It's not going to make landfall in the city, which I'm very thankful for. It's going to make landfall along the coastal areas. So we shouldn't be hit too bad, but I am a little worried about those communities that are on those coasts. Oh, one more. And then the checklist bar. So I've just laid down my date covers as well as the stripped stickers. I've been doing this for a few Plan With Me's now, for a few spreads. And I'm just going to put down this sticker. So this is one of our newest kits, and this is my favorite one from this collection. The collection is called Aqua, Dreaming in Aqua, and the Dreaming in Aqua is a September release, week 3. If you're wondering what will happen to your planner, to your Hobonichi weeks, if you use sticker kits on it religiously, this is how chunky my planner is. Super chunky. It still closes. I mean, there's no problem. This is last week. I mean, this is this week. So I'm pre-planning. Actually, today is a Friday, so that's not too bad. I mean, planning next week on a Friday is not too bad. So I know that I'm going to be doing a lot of things on the weekend. That's why I decided to just plan today. Plan on multiple planners. I did a Plan With Me in my cousin, Hobonichi cousin, and it should be up maybe before this video. I'm not really sure. So if you can see the dots here, that is because this ink, this is the J Urban. Is it the J Urban? No, it's not. It's the Documentus Brown, and it bleeds. The Documentus Brown, I believe, is an archival ink. That means that it has resistance somewhat towards water. That's how I understand that. I really don't mind. But my favorite inks are actually Japanese brands, Sailor, as well as Pilot. What is that called? Iroshizuku. I will write it somewhere here so that you know. So I just put down my bottom bars, the left one and the right one. Super pretty. I love these colors. That's why I picked this specifically for today. And I'm just going to put down this circle here, because I think I have a meeting and I have classes on that day. And then I'm going to put another circle here on Monday. No, Monday and Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday, and then I'm gonna put the last circle on Friday because that is the day that I leave. My flight is at night, so that should be alright. Don't need to wake up too early. And then I I'm just taking this label sticker and I'm gonna put it here on Saturday. The reason I'm doing that is because it is new releases day, regardless if I'm home or not. I will have my business partner do all the website things. So I'm very confident that he can do it. Oh, let's go back here because I want to put down my weekend script sticker. We need to change our blades stat right away because it is dull by now. So if you're new to our shop or this channel, the stickers that I'm using are mine and they are glossy because this page is not the Tomoe River paper. It's so hard to say that word. The Tomoe River paper is not bleached white. So I'm just putting today down up there. And I'm going to put to do over at the side here. It is glossy, so cream glossy, and it is fountain pen friendly. If you would like to have it in matte, because you like matte, I love matte too, we can do that, but we do not have a matte paper that is creamy, so it's going to be bleached white, and it's not going to be fountain pen friendly. If you use the Hobonichi pens, then it's going to be okay for the matte papers that we use. Just leave us an email and we can make it for you because we do have those papers. So first I'm going to put goals. So let's decorate this page. I'm going to put goals. Then I'm going to put 2 of these. Oh no, I changed my mind. Not goals. Not there. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna put it over here instead. Oh gosh. Oops. Come on. There. Better. No, it's not better. Let's cover that up. No, we can't. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it alone. So teardrop stickers for my goals. So this planner is my all-around planner. It's my home planner, my school planner, my class planner. So everything goes in here. I'm gonna put notes. And then I'm gonna use my label stickers. To divide the notes pages. Down there and one below it, a little farther down. Okay, and then I'm gonna use track. I'm gonna put it down here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the last 3 over here. So Wednesday, Thursday, I'm gonna put this on Thursday. I'm gonna remind myself to pack bags because I am leaving and print things. Okay, I'm gonna put this on Sunday. Sunday is early registration for the conference. And I want to put it down there, and then I have dot stickers left. So this is, oh, it has one last. I want to just put it down anywhere. Okay, I'm just put it down here. At this point, everything is, well, not everything, but most of these are decorative. And then I'm going to put my dots stickers. I have very tiny handwriting, so I can actually put a lot or write a lot of things down. Down there, and then few more. So this is class and meeting. And then here you need just one dot. And then I'm gonna put one dot down here. We are arriving really late. Oh my gosh, yes. I just remembered. I forgot to write down that I need to book airport pickup. So I'm gonna put these two dots here. And last dot. Wow. Okay, that is the page complete. Here are my empties. So no sticker left. And this is the page complete. It is pretty. It's so pretty. I love it so much. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and write down the dates. So I'm using my Platinum Preppy. The ink in here is this. So you have seen this before because I have been using this pen in my Hobonichi books a lot lately because this is the pen that I'm going to be bringing along. What date? 17. And that's about what I'm gonna do today. And then I'm gonna take, and this is an even more exciting part. I'm just looking for my stickers. Now I'm just gonna use Sticker Joy. Oh, okay, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use her. I'm gonna put it down here. This is the, oh no, I'm gonna put it down here because this is the first day we have in the hotel. And then I'm gonna use blue. Yay! We have blue. I'm gonna use it here because I need to contact people and I need to book stuff still. I'm gonna put, oh no, here we go. This is the Leap for Joy, my favorite Sticker Joy sticker. Fly out. And she is perfect here. Oh my gosh. So happy. I'm gonna use this on Wednesday because already I know it's a full day. Here we go. And then I'm gonna use this to signify packing, but this should not be here. I'm pretty sure I have travel stickers somewhere. I just can't be bothered right now. Then I'm gonna use this. It matches the blue perfectly. Can you see? I'm gonna use this here. I'm just gonna be home anyways. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna use her. And I'm gonna use her here, because I'm gonna take photos for Instagram just in case I wasn't able to do that. And I'm gonna use a planning time because I haven't actually planned what I'm gonna do on the next week when we are abroad. So we don't have an itinerary for what we want to attend, which sessions would be interesting. I mean, all of them are interesting, but you know, we can only go to so much sessions, and that is what I'm going to do on Monday and Tuesday. And this is the completed spread. Ta-da! Oh gosh, wait, hang on. Here, I know the perfect sticker for that. You're gonna like it. I hope so. I mean, I like it, and it's my book. So I'm going to use this sticker for this side. There. And then I'm going to use this sticker just in case anything annoying comes up. There you go. So you have like things that make you happy, things that make you sad. And if you're tracking mood, you can write down a line here, and then the Monday through Friday, and you can just check off which feeling or which mood you have that day. So, alright, this is our completed spread for realsies this time. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And if you like any of the things that I've showed you today, like the kits and the sticker joy emoji stickers, they are available at our shop, paperjoyph.com. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!